Hello everyone, welcome to Nutrition for Foodies. I hope everyone is having a successful New Year's and a successful diet and with whatever you're doing. So today we're going to be making a smoothie. I have already frozen all of my ingredients. I have in here some spinach, I'm going to add some extra, wow. That sun is so bright, oh my god. There we go, it got super bright. Okay, so I have my veggies that are already frozen, and I also have fruits in here. I have half of a banana, I have half of a orange, and these are the cuties. I have one whole kiwi. I have some spinach, some, what is this? Some cucumber, and I believe that's it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna also add some kale, and wait, I don't think I have kale, but I'm gonna add some more spinach, and I'm gonna add some pineapple juice and some water. So let's get right into this video. Alright guys, I have my blender, which is the Ninja, and I don't really like this blender, but it does the job. So here I have some kale, so I did end up having kale. I already washed it, and I'm just gonna take the stems off, like this part, like the really hard part. This has a lot of fiber to it, but my blender won't blend it up, so that's why I'm taking it out. I'm gonna add a handful of kale. I'm adding my mixture of, I have a few pieces of cucumber, I have orange, kiwi, half of a frozen banana, and then I have the rest of the spinach. This is frozen spinach. You could use fresh if you want. And I'm just gonna add some water to this bag so I get all of the spinach that's in here. Alright, so that's our mixture, and I'm gonna add some more water to this, so about halfway, about right there. And then I have some pineapple juice that I got from Trader Joe's. This pineapple juice is so good. I'm not even joking. It's so good. And it's cold pressed, so not from concentrate. I thought yeah, it is cold pressed. So I'm gonna add like about that much. You know, I have like kale on my hand. I'm not adding the whole bottle. That's a lot of sugar if I add the whole bottle, because this already has bananas in it and it has a lot of fruit in it. So alright, so I'm just gonna put the cover on tightly and blend this. So I prefer smoothie over a juice because the smoothie also has fiber in it. Okay, I'm gonna add some collagen powder in here, and I got this from Trader Joe's. Wow, I didn't even used any of this and it's like half empty. I guess my mom used it. So I'm gonna put two of these scoops in there. I'm just gonna blend it up again. I'm not gonna drink all of this. I'm just gonna add about a cup of this to my bowl. And the rest goes to my brother or whoever wants to drink it. Let me give this a try. This is really good. There you have it. If you want to add some more pineapple juice, go right ahead. But I don't recommend adding the whole can of pineapple juice. Another thing that will make this juice a lot sweeter is if you add a whole banana. I personally don't recommend adding a whole banana because it does have a lot of sugar. If I eat bananas, I only eat half of it. So yeah, but this is sweet enough for me. I hope it's sweet enough for you. Yeah, I'm not gonna drink the rest of this. I'm probably gonna give it to my brother or my mom, whoever wants to drink it. But yeah, that's our smoothie for you, and this is really good for your health. A smoothie is one of the best ways to get all your vitamins in, and so is juicing, but you don't get the fiber from juicing at all, so I do prefer a smoothie over juicing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and this is Nutrition for Foodies. I make videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. I've been making videos almost every day just to get myself out there, but eventually I'll just be making videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays because I do tend to be a little busy sometimes. But yeah, thank you so much for watching.